In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create events in WordPress using the WP Event Manager plugin. Creating and managing events on your website can be a game changer, whether you're planning a small gathering or a large conference. So, let's get started. First, to use the WP Event Manager, you'll need to have the plugin installed on your WordPress site. If you haven't done this yet, don't worry. Just head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New, and you'll see a search bar. Type in WP Event Manager, and look for it in the search results. Once you locate it, click on Install Now, and after a short moment, the button will change to Activate. Click that, and you're all set with the installation process. With the plugin installed, let's move on to creating your first event. From the dashboard, find the Event Listings section on the left-hand side and click on Add New. This is where you'll be inputting all the details about your event. You're greeted with a form that looks very similar to adding a new post. Start by entering the event title in the top field. It's important to craft a catchy and informative title. This is what your audience will first see. It should capture the essence of your event. Next, let's dive into the description section, where you have the freedom to be detailed. Provide your audience with compelling information about your event. Share what it's about, who should attend, and highlight key points or attractions. The more informative and engaging you can make this, the better. Below the description, you'll notice fields for event details. First, enter the event date and time. If your event is recurring or lasts multiple days, there's an option to set that too. It's crucial to get these details right, so double-check for accuracy. There's also a field for event location. You can input the venue's address here. This makes it easy for attendees to plan their visit and ensures they find your event's location without any hassle. Now, let's talk about the event image. A picture is worth 1,000 words, as they say. Add an attractive image that effectively represents the vibe and excitement of your event. To do this, click on Add Image and upload a photo from your computer. Avoid using images that are blurry or not representative of the event, as this constitutes a significant part of your first impression. Finally, we come to submit the event. Review all the information carefully to ensure accuracy. It's always good practice to preview how the event will appear on your site before hitting Publish. Take a moment to see it from your audience's view and make any last tweaks if necessary. When you are satisfied with how everything looks, click on the Publish button, and there you have it, your event is live on your website. Creating events using WP Event Manager is not just straightforward but also incredibly efficient. Now that you've learned how to create, edit, and publish an event, you're well on your way to engaging your audience and managing successful events. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.